Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a little unboxing today, and literally it's tiny. Like this box is when I got it in the mail I was like, is this it? Is this the right package? So let's just open it up. Here it is. Can you see it already? Oh my god, it's so small. This is it's so cute. Look at this hang tag. So this is the mini Rowan satchel from coachoutlet.com, and it is comparable from what I've seen to the Ruby 18 satchel. So the Ruby is a retail bag, and it's been popular for a while now. It looks like a Speedy, right? Like a nano Speedy. But yeah, this is the outlet version. And when the Coach summer sale happened, I was tempted to get the Ruby 18 in papaya. That's the orange color. But I just can't get myself to pay the price. So because I really don't have any luck with this kind of Boston style bags. I've owned a Speedy 30. I've owned the Celine Macadam Boston bag that's about the same size as the Speedy 30. I sold both of those. I just never, I don't know, it's just not my style. So I'm here to show you what fits in the bag and measure. So let's get to it. So across it's 6 inches. Height is about, I would say 4, and the depth of this bag is 3. So it's 6 by 4 by 3. These handles are actually good because it's easy to grab the bag, and it doesn't poke you. So the drop for this is about 2.5, I'd say. Yeah, 2.5 inches. Now, this pocket here is usable. I've put wipes in here, so let's get started with putting stuff in, and let me show you what fits. So I'm currently using my Tabby 26, and I'm just going to transfer stuff over. Open. By the way, the opening only goes up to maybe an inch below the top, so there's a little bit of give there, not too much. The strap is just here. I'm just gonna set that aside. So inside there's 2 card slots, and the creed is at the back. So 2 here and then creed there. Okay, let's transfer the stuff. I've got wipes. So the wipes will actually fit in the pocket in the front. So let's just put that there. I've got 3 wipes here. See, they fit perfectly. So close that. I've got my card holder, so just a normal card holder. Pop that in. I've got my keys on the trigger charm. So just keys, and put that in. I've got my lip balm. You've seen all this before if you've been watching my channel for a while. I carry the same stuff, so it's really no surprise. I've just got a receipt here. Let's try to set aside. And then I've got my phone. So this is my iPhone. Let me just set this aside. So this is my iPhone XS regular with a case, and the case is not too thick. It's not an OtterBox. And I'll pop that in the middle. So there you go. So as you can see there, there's actually still room. There's room here for maybe one more SLG, maybe a small wallet, or like maybe, I don't know, a big hand lotion. But the reason why, and then yeah, let's close this one first. And you can close this no problem, right? It's not gonna bulge or anything because, again, it's not really full. The problem I have with this bag is not the capacity of it, but how it takes a bit of angling the phone in and out, right? if you plop it directly in the middle and there's stuff underneath it, then it might not slide so quickly. And if you're on the go and you just want your phone to be in there, you might have to like really push down, or I don't know, just get it right, like just slot it in right. I think if you do it standing up, it's also fine. No, there's no problem there, but again, it's gonna stick out. Just depends on your preference. If you're picky about stuff like this, then this is not for you. If you're not, then it's fine. I, for one, I'm not picky about my phone standing up and sticking out of my bag sometimes. Depends on the bag. But for this one particularly, because the opening of this bag is not wide, unlike the Dreamer 21 or even the Casino, which are comparable, you know, mini bags, I give this bag a fail, at least for me. Don't get me wrong, it's super cute. This is like the teeny tiniest hang tag I've ever seen, ever. And it's really, really cute. So, I'm happy actually that I did not get the Ruby Satchel and spend $200+ on it. The Ruby is slightly longer, so this is 6. I think the Ruby is 7 inches, so there is a bit of give there when you want to put your phone sideways, which is fine. Like, I think that's the only reason why I don't want this bag, is because, yeah, like, you see how I'm struggling when I'm taking it out. So anyway, so that's it, guys. Like, I really like this bag. I think it's really cute. I think it is functional even though it's small. And, you know, it's a good everyday size for someone who doesn't carry a lot. But the convenience factor with regards to sliding a phone in and out, it doesn't work for me. So, yeah, so that's it. I'm probably going to sell this one soon. I'll still sit on it for a little bit and think about it, but I'm kind of leaning more on selling it, just because I have way too many bags anyway to begin with. And if something doesn't work now with any of my bags, I just don't put up with it anymore because I have a wide selection. So anyway, so yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like my videos, subscribe to my channel. It really helps a lot. Comment down below if you have any feedback or any questions. I'd be happy to answer it for you. And thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. See you guys later. Bye.